Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be revamping some old chairs and tables and this swing to create a nice cozy backyard setting. So if it's your first time on my channel, just go ahead and do the right thing. Hit that red subscribe button. All right, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads.
Yo, big up to all of the family and all of the friends. You know, say it's Impress Marcy again. Just watch the video straight to the end. See?
So guys, we have these old chairs sitting in the garage. We have them for a long while now, and they've done their time, and my husband wanted to throw them out, and I'm like, no, I'm going to revamp them. So I bought this red spray in Walmart, and I decided to revamp them and create a nice Christmassy feeling backyard. And yeah, that's the vibes we're going with today. And my son is over there with a brown spray spraying the swing, and it wasn't a good day, guys. As you can see, the wind was giving us a fight. We have been wasting a lot of spray. My neighbor did came over and show me a little trick of how to spray them without wasting the spray, but yeah, by the time I had already filmed this part. So yeah, just continue to watch the video, guys. Invite a friend to like my channel, to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, share me out if you can. It doesn't cost you anything. And if you're over here watching for the very first time, just go ahead, guys, and hit that red subscribe button and help my channel to grow. All right. So guys, in the beginning, my initial thought was to place the chairs close to each other so that whatever spray comes off the one will go on the other, and it did work. So you can probably consider that when you are doing your next project, your next spraying project. And yes guys, just continue to watch the process, because these chairs are going to come out very, very beautiful. And the seats are old, so I'm gonna be revamping the seats as well. So yeah, just continue to watch the process. And guys, when you're watching my videos, please do not click on the video if you're not gonna watch the entire thing. All right, because you damage my analytics when you do that. So just continue to watch the process. All right, if you're busy, just put the phone down and play it. But if you know you don't have the time to watch a video, please don't click on it. All right, because you only make things worse for my channel when you do that. You just mess up my whole analytics. Okay, and please do not skip the ads as well. If the ads are long, please watch at least a minute of it before you skip it. Thank you so much for understanding. So guys, while the spray is drying, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap the seats. And this is a piece of material that I bought in Walmart. I cut them out to match the seat, and yeah, it was a bit tight, but it worked. And as you can see, I didn't bother to change the original wrapping, because these are going to be outside chairs, so you don't have to be all neat and all of that. So, and to give it an extra padding, I just keep that original seating that was on it before. So what I'm doing now is just using the staple gun to hold the material in place. And yeah, that's basically it. Very quick and simple. So yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see the entire project. So yes guys, one seat is down. We have 3 more to go, and this is a beautiful gold and white leather material, and this is what the chair seat looked like before, and yeah, this is what it looks like after. So great transformation in my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comment section, okay? So guys, the first section of our project is now completed. This is what the chairs look like after we're done, and they look pretty good to me. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Yes guys, let's keep the comment section rolling. So the swing is now dried, and my son is placing some Christmas lights just to give it that nice warm Christmas feeling. Yeah, so that's what's happening now, and I'm gonna show you when it's completed what it looks like in the day and what it looks like at night. So guys, we went ahead and we placed some battery operated candles on the table, and it's looking very Christmassy to me. And as you can see, we placed 2 tiki torch in front of the swing, and we also have a small fire pit as well that we're gonna make some marshmallows, and we're gonna be playing some Ludi and just relax. As you can see, it looks relaxing, doesn't it? And it was simple and inexpensive. All we did was buy the spray, and we had some leftover leather material that we used to make the chair seat, to cover the chair seat. And yeah, that's basically it. And thank you guys so much. If you have made it to the end of this video, I really do appreciate you. And if you still haven't subscribed as yet, why not just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys. It's free. It's free. And when you do subscribe, there is a bell beside the subscribe button. Just go ahead and click that so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I have a lot of Christmas videos coming up for you. Clean with me, decorate with me, and all that good stuff. So just go ahead, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss my uploads. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you for watching as well. So bye guys. This wet.
Can't drink nothing at that school.
Yeah, but I watched it on the computer. I was just paying my bag.
Seeing how to go to school.